Dripping sauce, dripping sauce, dripping sauce, Saturday, Saturday, dripping, drip. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise sauce. The first thing you're going to need is ketchup. Have ketchup and no salt because I'm trying to eat healthy. Next, you're going to need mayonnaise. I have mayonnaise right here. Next, you're going to need mustard. Right here, I have Dijon sauce. A little fancy. Alright, I'm going to get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put the mayonnaise in a bowl. So, rub the packet. Like that. Just rub your packet. And then you're going to put some ketchup in the bowl. And then a little bit of mustard. And then you're going to take it and you're just going to mix it around so you get an even consistency. And that's how you make Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.